Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. So after that just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Now check it, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should check also a gesture, because sometimes it happened when the gesture feature is set to none. So open the application and go to custom buttons. And right here I have it, and if you have the same, just change something else, let's say play and pause or something else, and check, maybe it fixed your problem. And the last one, maybe ensure that you tap on the touch controls area, and the touch controls area located right here at the top near to the LED light and right here in the second earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!